ParaPactum. The ParaPactum is a bulletproof umbrella made by the French company Le Parapluie de Cherbourg. It is designed to be used by close protection officers to protect their clients from a variety of threats, including bullets, knives, and blunt objects. The umbrella is made from a variety of materials, including ballistic nylon, carbon fiber, and steel. It can withstand a direct hit from a bullet fired from a handgun, and it can also stop a knife from penetrating. The umbrella is also designed to be wind resistant, and it can withstand winds of up to 200 km/h, 124 miles per hour. In addition to its protective qualities, the ParaPactum is also a functional umbrella. It has a large canopy that can provide shelter from the rain, and it is also foldable and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. The ParaPactum is a popular choice for close protection officers around the world. It has been used to protect a variety of high-profile individuals, including heads of state, celebrities, and corporate executives. It is available in a variety of colors, including black. Grimburg Gavle. Grimburg Gavle, also known as Glimmingjehes, is a medieval ringfort located on an island in the Baltic Sea, about 20 kilometers, 12 miles, off the coast of Sweden. It was built in the 14th century by the Danish knight Jens Grim, and it is one of the best preserved medieval fortifications in Scandinavia. The castle is surrounded by a moat, and has a number of towers and defensive walls. It was originally used as a military base, but it later became a private residence. The castle was abandoned in the 17th century, and it fell into ruin. In the 19th century, it was purchased by the Swedish government, and it has since been restored. Grimburg Gavle is now a popular tourist destination, and it is open to the public for tours. It is located in the Gavle municipality, Gävleborg or G County, Sweden. The castle is about 40 meters, 130 feet, in diameter. The walls of the castle are up to 3 meters, 10 feet, thick. The castle has a number of different rooms. Buff Safety Neck Gaiter. Buff Safety Neck Gaiters are versatile and multifunctional tubular accessories designed to provide protection and comfort in various work environments. They are made from high-quality, certified protective fabrics that ensure maximum safety across industries. Buff Safety Neck Gaiters are offered in a variety of styles and materials to suit specific needs and preferences. Versatility can be worn in multiple ways, including as a neck gaiter, headband, balaclava, beanie, or wristband. Protection provides protection from various hazards, including dust, dirt, pollen, wind, sun, and cold. Comfort, made from soft, breathable fabrics that are comfortable to wear all day long. Moisture wicking, wicks away moisture to keep you cool and dry. Odor resistant, treated with an odor-resistant finish to prevent the growth of bacteria. UPF 50+ sun protection, blocks out 95% of harmful UV rays. Buff Safety Neck Gaiters are available in a variety of styles, including Yguard. Yguard is an open-source Java bytecode obfuscator and shrinker. It is a powerful tool that can help to protect your Java code from unauthorized access and reverse engineering. Yguard can obfuscate your code by renaming classes, methods, fields, and variables. It can also shrink your code by removing unused code. This can make your code more difficult to understand and reverse engineer, which can help to protect your intellectual property. Obfuscation renames classes, methods, fields, and variables to make your code more difficult to understand. Shrinking removes unused code to make your code smaller and faster. ProGuard compatibility, compatible with ProGuard, so you can use your existing ProGuard configurations with Yguard. Open source, free to use and modify under the new General Public License, GPL. Yguard is a valuable tool for any Java developer who is concerned about protecting their code. It is easy to use and can be integrated into your build process. Laser Sight Pepper Sprays. Laser sight pepper sprays are self-defense devices that combine a powerful pepper spray with a laser sight. The laser sight helps the user aim the pepper spray accurately, even in low light conditions. This can be a valuable feature in a self-defense situation, as it can help to ensure that the pepper spray is sprayed on the attacker, and not on the user or innocent bystanders. Improved accuracy. The laser sight helps the user aim the pepper spray accurately, even in low light conditions. Deterrence. The laser sight can be a deterrent to attackers, as it may make them think that the user is armed with a firearm. Non-lethal. Pepper spray is a non-lethal self-defense tool that can incapacitate an attacker without causing serious injury or death. Cost. Laser sight pepper sprays are typically more expensive than traditional pepper sprays. Size. Laser sight pepper sprays are typically larger and heavier than traditional pepper sprays. Batteries. Laser sight pepper sprays require batteries, which can run out at an inopportune time. The range of the pepper spray. Pocket EDC Tool. Pocket EDC tools are small, multi-purpose tools that are designed to be carried in a pocket or on a keychain. They are often used by everyday carry (EDC) enthusiasts who believe that it is important to be prepared for anything. Pocket EDC tools can be used for a variety of tasks, such as opening boxes, tightening screws, and fixing minor repairs. A blade. This can be used for cutting, slicing, and prying. Screwdrivers. These can be used to tighten and loosen screws. Pliers. These can be used to grip, twist, and cut objects. Bottle opener. This can be used to open bottles of beer, soda, and other beverages. File. Surevival Pen. A survival pen is a multi-tool pen that includes features designed for survival situations. In addition to a writing tip, survival pens typically include features such as a whistle, a compass, a fire starter, and a LED light. Some survival pens also include a glass breaker, a bottle opener, and a screwdriver. Be prepared for anything. The survival pen can help you be prepared for a variety of survival situations, from getting lost in the wilderness to being stranded in a car during a blizzard. Stay safe. The features of a survival pen, such as the whistle and the fire starter, can help you stay safe in an emergency. Make a good impression. A survival pen can make a good impression on others, as it shows that you are prepared and resourceful. Choose a pen that has the features you need. Think about the features that are most important to you, and choose a pen that has those features. Choose a pen that is made from high-quality materials. A high-quality pen will last longer and will be more reliable. Choose a pen that is the right size and weight for you if you are going to carry your pen every day. Cold Steel Cable Whip Cane. The Cold Steel Cable Whip Cane is a versatile tool that can be used for both self-defense and everyday walking. It features a hidden 32-inch cable that can be deployed with a quick flick of the wrist, making it a formidable weapon against attackers. The cane is also made from durable materials and has a comfortable ergonomic handle, making it a practical walking aid. Hidden cable. The 32-inch cable is concealed within the cane's shaft, making it a surprise weapon for attackers. Durable construction. The cane is made from high-quality materials, including carbon steel and anodized aluminum, ensuring that it can withstand heavy use. Ergonomic handle. The handle is designed to fit comfortably in your hand, providing a secure grip during both self-defense and walking. Versatile tool. The cane can be used for both self-defense and everyday walking, making it a valuable addition to your EDC kit. Effective self-defense tool. The hidden cable can be used to strike attackers with force, making it an effective self-defense tool. Durable walking aid. The cane is made from durable materials and has a comfortable handle, making it a practical walking aid.